Exfoliate before waxing. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, making it easier for the wax to adhere to the hair rather than the skin. This ensures a smoother wax and reduces the risk of irritation. Right wax for your skin. Not all waxes are created equal. If you have sensitive skin, opt for a wax designed specifically for delicate areas, such as a hypoallergenic or low-temperature wax. Ensure hair is the right length. For optimal results, the hair should be about 1/4 inch long. Too short, and the wax won't grab the hair. Too long, and it may cause more pain. Aim for the perfect length for smoother removal. Hydrate your skin. Keep your skin well moisturized in the days leading up to your waxing appointment. Hydrated skin allows the wax to adhere better and prevents unnecessary irritation. Avoid sun exposure. Don't expose your skin to direct sunlight or tanning beds before waxing. Sunburned skin is more sensitive and prone to irritation during and after the process. Over-the-counter pain reliever. Taking an ibuprofen or acetaminophen an hour before your waxing session can help reduce swelling and pain, making the process more comfortable. Use a pre-waxing oil. Applying a thin layer of pre-waxing oil creates a barrier between your skin and the wax, ensuring that the wax only grabs the hair. This also makes it easier to remove the wax once the hair is pulled out. Avoid tight clothing. Wear loose-fitting clothes before and after your waxing session. Tight clothing can cause friction and irritation on freshly waxed skin. Test the wax temperature. Before using the wax, make sure it's at the right temperature. Wax that is too hot can burn your skin, while wax that's too cool may not remove hair efficiently. Moisturize post-waxing. After waxing, apply a soothing moisturizer or aloe vera gel to help calm the skin and keep it hydrated. This will reduce redness and promote faster healing. Avoid scratching. It's tempting, but avoid scratching your skin after waxing, as it can lead to irritation or even ingrown hairs. Let your skin heal naturally. Cleanse the area first. Before waxing, cleanse the area thoroughly to remove oils, dirt, or lotions. Clean skin allows the wax to grip the hair more effectively, leading to a better result. Perform a patch test. If you're waxing for the first time, perform a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction to the wax or pre-treatment products. Plan your waxing session in advance. Schedule your waxing appointment at least a few days before the event. This gives your skin time to recover from any redness or irritation that might occur. Warm shower. Taking a warm shower helps open up your pores, making it easier to remove the hair. Just be sure to dry the area thoroughly before waxing. Lasting smoothness. To maintain smooth skin post-waxing, exfoliate gently a few days after your appointment to prevent ingrown hairs and keep your skin moisturized for long-lasting softness. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.